Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some happy mail. This comes all the way from Canada from my snail mail bestie, Sandra. Sandra, thank you so much. Now when I saw the custom form, it said it had chocolate. We have been having a heat wave here, so I just wanted to go ahead and pull this out. Oh, llamas! So Sandra and I both love llamas. And I see the chocolate. Oh no, Sandra, I'm so sorry. It's completely melted. Oh, Arrow. I love Arrow. And it looks like there's one more here. This one might still be okay, but I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate these, and I'll be right back. And I am back. We have a zipper pouch with these adorable llamas. So a little background, Sandra and I have been snail mail friends for, I say, the last 5 years, and we have done some really wonderful crafty swaps. She makes the most beautiful journals. If you haven't seen my Throwback Thursday project share, I featured one of her mermaid journals that she made for me. And if you're curious to see the other crafty items that we swapped together in the past, check out my Happy Mail playlist. So Sandra, I just wanted to say hi, and also she recently just had the most beautiful baby girl. Hi baby Isabel. So look out for some Happy Mail because I sent some out for your little girl. So let's get to it and see what Sandra has sent me. So first up, this one caught my eye. This is from Dollarama, and as you know, we don't have one here, and I get so excited when I see hauls. And she has sent me some of these beautiful hearts. I love this iridescent waffle heart with some glitter and silver. That is just so cute. And it looks like we have a notebook here. Oh, I love this with the Polaroid. Let's see if it's lined pages. And I love the image. This just makes a great insert. Have a nice day. That is so awesome. I love that it's embossed. You can see that the imprint's on the back. That is super cute. I also spy a couple letters, and I love it. It says old letter and another letter, and I love the flowers that she put here. So I'm going to go right ahead and read this off camera, and then we'll continue with our unboxing. Oh, thank you so much, Sandra. So most of the items here, like I said, she has been busy just adjusting to being a new mom, so I totally understanding and moving. So Sandra, don't worry about it. I really understand. I've been there, and I thank you so much for even thinking of me and sending me some wonderful goodies like this adorable rainbow notebook. Let's open it. And look at this. It's all squishy and cute. I know Emmy's gonna want this. And look at that. Lined pages. Super fun. There's more. Oh wow, so this is the one she mentioned in her letter. So they have a Japanese stationery shop in their area, but it's similar to Daiso. I forgot the name. It starts with an O. I'll just put it up here. But look at this beautiful envelope. I love that. It looks like handmade paper. And the stationery. I love cherry blossoms, so this is gorgeous. So aside from writing letters and using stationery for that purpose, I also use this as my little journal card, or I write my entries on a stationery sheet. We have a cute bird sticker and some adorable animals. That's so cute. Look at these birds on the line and all the different animals. That is so adorable. I see another cherry blossom here. Oh, and this one has bunnies. So you see the bunnies over there. Perfect for spring and any time. I love cherry blossoms the whole year. And this has 12 sheets and 3 designs. Really pretty, and it gives you some ideas on how to use it. That is so pretty. So it's double-sided, so you can make an envelope, and it already has something inside that's really gorgeous. Another cherry blossom sticky note. That's so pretty. I love this. Thank you, Sandra. And, oops, we have some Easter bunnies. That's so cute. And she also got me this adorable zipper bags with a kitty cat. It's too cute. That's always great and fun for packaging. That's adorable. And she's also sent me some Easter washies, and I actually like thin washies. I like to use them as little borders in my notebook and in my planner, and I love these colors. Definitely gonna use this for Easter next year. And she also gave me another washi tape here that says fragile, and has two different colors in gray and green. Hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. I sure did. Again, big thank you to Sandra for thinking of me and even making time. I know you're a busy gal, and thank you for sending me this wonderful Happy Mail and for these wonderful letters. I am excited to write you back as well. And guys, make sure to check out the projects that she sent me. So it's going to be in my Happy Mail playlist and my Throwback Thursday playlist as well. So thanks again for watching Carmia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.